Turbo is in an accumulation zone since the 2649 area right here, where we had 5.67 bought versus 5.5 sold. So all of this basically is an accumulation area until really it's until this level. So I would be interested in starting to take longs right here, and also we are at the position, the point of control, 10.8 mil versus 10 bill, 10.8 bill versus 10 bill, so around 8% difference. So I'm interested in starting to add right here for 18% profit trade at this point, and I'll be looking into buying more on the way down. Most of the money right now is made on meme coin trades. If you want to follow those, I'll have links in the description down below. Here's the PNL, 280 grand. You can see more in the link in the description down below if you want to learn more about my Signals chat or course. But yeah, I want to give you an OBS tutorial on what I'm planning to do. See you next video. Bye.